First, did you just get a new Cricket Wireless SIM card and don't know how to activate it? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step.
First, turn off your phone and insert the Cricket Wireless SIM card into your device. Make sure the SIM is properly placed before turning the phone back on.
Now connect your phone to a stable Wi-Fi network. This helps complete the activation process without interruptions. Next, open your browser and go to the official Cricket Wireless activation page. Enter your order number, phone number, and SIM card details carefully. Then tap the Activate button to continue. Wait a few moments while Cricket Wireless activates your SIM card. This usually takes only a few minutes. After activation is complete, restart your phone to refresh the network settings. Congratulations! Your Cricket Wireless SIM card is now activated and ready to use for calls, texting, and high-speed internet.